Sayyidah Aisha radiallahu anha, because of her amazing, beautiful jealousy, ghayra, she taught us a lesson. It was a time that Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, you know, he spent every night at one of the wives. It was her turn. So he came in, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he put his clothes, and he laid down. He was waiting for her to sleep. So he looked at her, radiallahu anha, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Muhammad, yeah, she slept. So he took up, put the clothes, but she wasn't asleep. She was monitoring. He put the clothes, he went out. The jealousy here comes. He's going to another wife. No, that's my turn. I'm not allowed this. I'm not allowed this. So she followed him. She found him, went to Baqi', the graveyard in Medina. And he started making dua for the Sahaba, the deceased who died there. And he kept making dua. So he turned to go back to his house. She rushed. She ran because she didn't want him to be exposed. She ran and she went into bed and covered herself. So Sallallahu he put the clothes and then he went there. He said, I see you are breathing fast. What's happening? She said, Ya Rasulullah, I thought you're going, you know, it's like my nafs. I'm looking for dunya, for my nafs, and I found that you're making dua for your ummah in the middle of the night. He said, Ya Aisha, Jibreel came to me. He told me this is the night of the middle of Shaban. And there is a lot of rahamat and mercy and shafa'ah being given in this night. So I wanted to go and give them that. Then Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, when he khalas, revealed everything, he said, Ya Aisha, radiallahu anha, Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam Muhammad, would you allow me to worship Allah this night? He said, you and your Lord, go ahead. Khalas, I release my right on myself. Ya Habibi, Ya Rasulullah. Sayyidah Aisha read this. He was making a long rak'ah and a long, in his sujood, he said he was making very long sujood. And I heard some of the dua he's doing in the sujood. She asked him later on, I don't memorize it right now. She asked him later on, she said, yeah, Allah, Sayyidina Jibreel told me to do this dua. And if you memorize it, then do it. You'll find the hadith, inshallah, you'll find the dua. Anyway, so he made that and then he was long sujood. She said, I thought for long that he passed away, that he died. Then I just touched the bottom of his blessed foot, and he moved it. I knew that he's okay. Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. So this is a special night.